thousands of passengers paid extra for a window seat. What they got, in some cases, was a wall. A federal judge just ruled that United Airlines has to face a class action lawsuit over exactly this: seats sold as window seats that never had a window at all. So how does an airline end up in court over a seat that doesn't exist? Let's look at three things: how this actually happened, why the airline said it wasn't their fault, and why the judge disagreed. On certain Boeing 737s, 757s, and Airbus A321s, some seats in the window row sit next to a solid wall instead of glass, because air conditioning ducts or wiring run through that exact spot. Passengers say they weren't told this during booking. They paid the premium, boarded the plane, and found a blank wall where a window should be. United's defense was that window seat just describes the seat's position in the row, next to the aisle or next to the wall, not a guarantee of an actual window. The judge didn't buy it. He pointed to United's own booking pages, boarding passes, and reservation screens, all of which called these seats windows without qualification. This isn't a handful of unhappy travelers. The lawsuit represents more than 1 million passengers on United alone, and a nearly identical case is moving forward against Delta. Other airlines, like American and Alaska, apparently disclosed the windowless seats up front. United and Delta, according to the lawsuit, did not. The case now moves forward, seeking damages that could reach into the millions. United has only said it updated its seat selection process in 2025 to add more detail. Think about that for a second. People paid extra, specifically, to look outside, and ended up with a premium-priced view of insulation and wiring. If you've ever gotten a window seat that let you down, tap that like button. It genuinely helps more people find stories like this one. And if you want more real cases like this, insurance, finance, and law, subscribe. A new true story lands every week. So next time you pay extra for a window, maybe check the seat map twice. This video is for general informational purposes only. Sources are linked in the description below.